Hello folks, welcome to the Netcruzer RC. Tonight we're out for a bash with the Kraton 6S and the Outcast 8S at a construction site.
John with all these video gears. For YouTube.
Yes sir. This is ideal Xmaxx territory. Kraton can't do that. Wow. That is impressive. Nice.
Hey, there's a jump for you right ahead of you.
I know, I'm gonna try.
30. People say they have drone recovery problems. I think this is a RC car recovery problem. Now I'm videotaping just to see if John's gonna fail. Oh, he did succeed. Now can you get back here? Oh,
No,
did
no
succeed. Now can you get back here?
Wow. Wow. Oh, gross.
For the Kraton, this is a good spot.
Heck yeah, that's a great spot. Nice.
You can see what's coming here.
Yep. Oh. Whoa.
And once he gets out of the way, you can take it the other way. Take the jump the other way. Oh.
Ah. Oh. Don't chew it up too much. We want to launch off there.
You want to launch that way?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it full speed coming this way.
I shouldn't stand downwind. Wind is blowing that way. I gotta clean up some videos. Hey, the Tank RC. The Tank RC is driving the Kraton. First time driving an Arma. I'm going to break something.
Is it really the first time driving one?
Got one of the best ones, in my opinion.
Yeah. Oh, turtle. I hit that big rock. You want to rock? Want to rock and roll? Man, that thing's crazy.
The Xmaxx gun is awesome here.
Now, what's running in here right now?
6S.
6S? Okay. Fail. And that's a fail.
Get up top and then launch it over.
Whoa! Hey, John. Driftomaniacs double flip challenge, or flip challenge. You got to do it on this side.
You gonna flip over yourself?
Yeah, where's the camera so you can record me?
He's gonna
All right.
do this?
Okay, I'm gonna bend down. Okay, I don't know how if I'm gonna land it, but he said doesn't have to land it. But the challenge is actually over, but it doesn't matter. Let's give it a try. Okay,
Give her.
I'm gonna bend down. Scary. When you hit the brakes on that thing, it just like front flip. Hey, John, let's do a double jump. Lots of cool areas to play with.
1, 2, 3.
I missed a jump because I didn't want to cut into you. Let the Kraton free. Oh.
Nice, cleared the Kraton. Whoa! Whatever wheel had. No wonder the diffs are clicking.
Okay. Oh, I was going to do one.
Oh, nice. That was huge.
Here, try the Kraton.
I do love the Kratons.
Monster truck crawling.
More throttle. Oh. Okay, clear.
You go first ahead of me because you're the one that's faster. So as soon as you go, I'll go chase after you.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
They're both on their wheels. Nice.
What's that? Okay.
That is not my SCX tank or my TF2.
No. But you have a basher.
Yeah,
You have a few bashers.
my Savage
Yeah.
and the 4x4
Savage, your
Flash.
Savage is cool. I like your
Yeah.
Savage.
But Kraton, I wouldn't mind getting. Like it owns its own stuff here. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big hole.
Something let go in the Kraton. Something seems weird with it. Might have lost a grub screw on something. Just throttle easy. Yeah, you lost rear wheel drive, so it's probably the rear grub screw. That's been happening a lot lately. On the out drive, the grub screw lets off, so you only have front wheel drive right now. I don't want to go get the tools, so yeah. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Want to try slow motion jump?